What is going on, guys? It's Scott with Neverheads back for another Metamaterials update, and we are down 8.8% today, and it's not because of anything bad going on with the company. I think that everything is down today because the highest inflation reading in 30 years. I think that is what is causing fear in the markets today. Let's fucking go, Brandon, I guess. Gotta love that inflation. But we are down quite a bit today. Obviously, the RSI is going to look like shit, sitting at 38.32, and MACDs are also looking terrible. Don't want to look at them anymore. So we're going to move on to Ortex because the short interest is going down on this, which is good. However, volume is also pretty low today. We only have 5.8 million shares traded, but the current estimated short interest percentage of the free float is down to 12.6%. If you remember, it was as high as like 22%, and I think it might have even been higher than that. But the current estimated short interest right now sitting under 20 million, which is good, at 17.58 million. And the utilization, again, down as well at 84.61. Shares on loan also down 20% to 31.8 million. And free float on loan also down almost 20%, down 19% down to 22.8%. The shorts might not be attacking this one as heavily, although it still feels like they are kicking the shit out of this sometimes. Now, let's check out the options because I think next week is going to be, or could be, another max pain week, especially with the drop today. If we look, max pain right now sitting at $5. I would not be surprised if we close just under that like we did the last monthly options date. I think that was October 15th, maybe, if memory serves. And a lot of people were picking up options yesterday. 1,470 calls on this. 723 calls on the $6 strike price. And quite a few, 1.14 thousand on the $9 strike price. Good luck with that, as always. And we can see total open interest right now, 8,100 at $5, only 2,173 at $4, and at $6, another 9,800. So that seems to be the highest open interest on this for November 19th. I think a lot of people are expecting good things from the earnings that is coming out on Friday, I believe, after hours. This thing could rip if the nanotech revenue is included in there. Plus, I believe they do have a couple of contracts that they're bidding on that are worth millions of dollars, which they have not gotten yet. So that will not be revenue that'll be on there. But nanotech does have contracts that are also worth, I believe, a couple $1 million. So we'll see if that is included in there. If third quarter revenue is $600K again, that's not going to be... That's not going to be good for the price of this stock. Moving on here to Fintel. So days to cover is back up to 3.82. And the dark pool short volume ratio right now sitting at 41.5%. Let me hop back over to Chart Exchange. I want to see what the short interest was for the last couple of days. Nope. Actually, short interest is still pretty fucking high. 60% on Monday. 52 yesterday, 61% on Friday, so still pretty heavily shorted. The squeeze score is pretty much right where it has been in the mid-70s right now, sitting at 75.82. And the short shares availability fluctuating. It's been around 1 million for the last couple of weeks. 7 hours ago, we were down to 100,000, and since we are right in power hour, that's probably right when this big sell-off to start the day, and then that just continued in that nosedive trajectory with the inflation that is it's for our own good, guys. Don't worry about the $4 a gallon gas or the $6 per half gallon of milk. It's for our own good. We're going to own nothing and be happy. We can just live in the metaverse. All right, short borrow fee rate is down to 1.95%. So trending downward there as well. And let's see what we got for institutional ownership here. See if we got any new buys. Yep, quite a few coming in this week. Also have a lot of closed positions right now, but from, let's say, Monday, 12,473 by Mackenzie Financial, 48,247 by the State Board Administration of Florida Retirement System, another 45,940 by Principal Financial Group, another 95,000 by Prime Capital Investment Advisors, BlackRock, 13.968 million. It looks like it's not a. Obviously, BlackRock has owned a piece of this forever. I guess they added 217% more shares to their position, so that was very nice of them. This video is also sponsored by BlackRock, by the way, since they own everything. All right, we do have a good piece of news that came out last night regarding the Augmented World Expo. This is from actually Covestro, one of Metamaterial's partners, but it is a nice little tire pumping that Meta gets from Covestro on this. And so they talk about all the things that they have unveiled in the Augmented World Expo. And if we scroll down here, one particularly sensational application is the possibility of superimposing changing information on the edge of corrective lenses for eyeglasses. This turns ordinary visual aids into smart data glasses. For instance, wearers of data glasses or head-mounted displays can communicate with experts remotely during inspections or service work while keeping their hands free for work. Meta is presenting itself at the show as the one-stop shop for advanced optical components, which there's going to be a big demand for once Meta, not Metamaterials, but Meta Facebook, starts giving everyone free augmented reality glasses for their individual work pods that they're going to be relegated to in the future. We are pleased to present a range of smart applications that can be embedded in correction lenses for augmented reality glasses, said Papa George Palikaris, president and CEO of Meta. Our collaboration with Covestro enables us to offer highly functional advanced materials and proprietary systems for high-volume production from a single source. Meta's one-stop shop approach, combined with Covestro's Bayfoil HX technology, offers a number of benefits for OEMs. A wide variety of holographic optical solutions can be realized with a range of material thicknesses and formats. The strength of our strategic collaborative efforts is based on the versatility of combining Bayfoil HX films with Meta's AR Fusion lens casting technology, emphasizes Mortiz Winterstein. Ooh, that sounds like a Bond villain. Head of Growth Ventures Specialty Films at Covestro. The eyeglass lenses, including the volume holographic elements, can be produced in high volumes and cost-effectively thanks to roll-to-roll coating and deposition technologies, as well as state-of-the-art plastic processing. Meta and Covestro cater to the entire value chain, from optical design and material selection to mass production and integration. Excellent news there on this. Looks like we're back up a little bit, down to only 7.35% with just a half hour left in the trading day. That is pretty much going to do it for this one, guys. So as always, please make sure you're subscribed to the channel for more updates on Metamaterials as well as other stocks and tokens we like. And I thank you guys so much for watching this far, and I'll see you in the next video.